Hey there. Have you ever heard about the 1966 Nigerian coup d'etat? It's a fascinating but complex historical event that had a significant impact on Nigeria and its political landscape.
Oh, absolutely. The 1966 Nigerian coup d'etat was a turning point in the country's history. It marked the beginning of a series of events that ultimately led to Nigeria's first military government. The coup took place on January 15, 1966, and it was a pivotal moment in Nigerian politics.
Right, it was indeed a pivotal moment. The coup was led by a group of young army officers, mainly Igbo, who were dissatisfied with the government's perceived corruption and ethnic tensions in the country. Their actions resulted in the overthrow of the First Republic and the assassination of several key political figures, including Prime Minister Sir Babakar Tafawa Balewa and Premier of the Northern Region, Sir Amadou Bello.
Yes, that's correct. The coup was primarily motivated by political and ethnic grievances. The coup plotters, who called themselves the Young Majors, accused the political leaders of the First Republic of tribalism, corruption, and a lack of effective governance. They believed that a radical change was necessary to save the country from further disintegration.
Absolutely. And the aftermath of the coup was incredibly complex. Following the coup, General Johnson Ogiyirensi, an Igbo officer, assumed power as the head of state. However, his attempts to unify the country were met with resistance, especially from the northern region, which felt marginalized after the assassination of prominent northern leaders.
Yes, the regional tensions escalated quickly. In July 1966, a counter-coup led by northern officers took place, resulting in the death of General Ogiyirensi and the rise of General Yakubu Gowon as the new head of state. The counter-coup exacerbated ethnic and regional divisions, leading to widespread violence and massacres targeting Igbo people in the northern region, which eventually culminated in the Nigerian Civil War.
The Nigerian Civil War, also known as the Biafran War, was a tragic and devastating conflict that lasted from 1967 to 1970. It erupted as a result of the secessionist efforts of the southeastern region, predominantly inhabited by the Igbo ethnic group, under the leadership of Colonel Odumegwa Ojukwu. The conflict claimed the lives of millions of people and left a deep scar on the nation's history.
It's heartbreaking to think about the human cost of the conflict. The Nigerian Civil War was not only a military struggle, but also a humanitarian crisis, with widespread famine and disease affecting the civilian population, especially in the breakaway Republic of Biafra. The war eventually ended in 1970 with the defeat of Biafran forces and the reunification of Nigeria.
Absolutely. And the consequences of the 1966 coup and the subsequent civil war continue to shape Nigeria's political landscape today. The events of 1966 highlighted the deep-seated ethnic and political tensions within the country, which still pose challenges to national unity and stability.
That's true. The 1966 Nigerian coup d'etat serves as a reminder of the complexities of nation-building and the importance of addressing issues related to governance, corruption, and ethnic relations. It's crucial for the current and future generations to learn from these historical events and work towards a more united and prosperous Nigeria.
Definitely, understanding this period of history is essential for fostering national cohesion and promoting dialogue among different ethnic and religious groups in Nigeria. By learning from the past, Nigeria can move forward, embracing its diversity and building a stronger, more inclusive society for all its citizens.
I couldn't agree more. It's through open discussions, education, and mutual understanding that societies can heal from the wounds of the past and build a better future. The 1966 Nigerian coup d'etat and its aftermath serve as a powerful lesson, reminding us of the importance of unity, peace, and cooperation in overcoming challenges and building a prosperous nation.